You can't stop growing old. You don't know when you'll get sick. But you can prepare for it. Anong plano mo? Usap tayo.
Yung usual worry ng mga clients ko, as they grow older, paano na raw yung medical bills nila kapag wala na silang HMO coverage?
Lumalaki na kasi mga bata, isang college, 2 high school.
Kailangan 2 pa rin kaming kumakayod.
Paano kung magkasakit ang isa sa amin?
I have a number of clients who are beginning to be concerned about their health. Nag-uumpisa na raw yung mga sakit-sakit. Bibiro ang magpagamot.
Ang hirap. Siyempre, mahal na mahal ko si tatay. Pero minsan, hindi ko na talaga alam saan kukunin yung pambayad sa treatment niya. Sana, napagandaan ko siya ng mas maaga.
Health concerns can occur at any time. Filipinos worry about themselves or a family member getting hospitalized, getting into an accident, or getting sick with a serious illness. Heart disease, cancer, and accidents are among the leading causes of death in the Philippines. 9 out of 10 Filipinos are at risk of getting heart disease. 11 Filipinos are diagnosed with cancer every hour. 99 serious accidents happen every day. While 97% of Filipinos are concerned about health, most of us are not prepared financially to get well. Only 16% of Filipinos are financially prepared in the face of serious health conditions. Those who are not prepared will resort to loaning money, selling properties, and relying on their relatives, friends, and children who are working to pay for their medical expenses, which can cause further emotional stress for the family. But how much is the cost of getting well? The average basic cost of treating heart disease can go as high as 1 million pesos. The cost of treating cancer is at least 700,000 pesos. The cost of hiring a private nurse can be as much as 2,400 pesos a day and 1,800 pesos a day for a caregiver. Most employed Filipinos depend on their HMO plans or PhilHealth for their healthcare needs. But there are still expenses to be paid, those that are not covered by or are in excess of your HMO plans. In fact, out-of-pocket health-related expenses are 6 times higher than PhilHealth payout and 9 times higher than HMO payout. Getting sick does not only mean you digging into your lifetime savings or borrowing money or selling property. It also means not being able to work or losing income to fund your daily needs like rent, food, utilities, and other daily expenses. Also, people are more prone to sickness and accidents as they reach their senior years. Unfortunately, this is when their HMO coverage ends. Since the average life expectancy is projected to rise over the years, we need to prepare more to maintain our quality of life. As we grow older, looking good is still important. On the average, one needs to spend around 5,000 pesos for regular beauty regimen, while one would spend up to 150,000 pesos for cosmetic surgeries. Getting sick, growing old, needing health maintenance are inevitable life realities that you need to prepare for. Finally, there's Health Invest, a plan that takes care of you in sickness and in health. Health Invest is a health and life insurance plan that provides financial protection from serious sickness, accidents, or loss of life. Plus, it lets you build a fund for your future healthcare needs. It can be payable in as short as 3, 5, 7, or 10 years. Health Invest provides lump sum cash benefit for serious sickness or accidents. Should any critical health condition or accident arise, you will receive a lump sum cash benefit that complements your existing HMO plan if you have one, to help finance your recovery or pay for your medical bills. You can use the cash benefit for other needs that may not be covered by your existing HMO. Your financial worries will be taken care of, so you can focus on getting better. And once diagnosed with a critical condition, your Health Invest plan will continue without you having to pay for future premiums. A growing health fund. Health Invest lets you build a health fund that accumulates over time, depending on the performance of your chosen investment fund. Your payments will be invested in the Fixed Income Fund, Balanced Fund, or Equity Fund of Philam Asset Management Incorporated that are professionally managed by expert fund managers. This can be used to pay for healthcare needs, caregiving costs, or any other expenses incurred beyond your working years or when your HMO coverage ends. Boost your health fund through top-up premium payments anytime you have extra cash. Life insurance protection. Should the unexpected happen, your loved ones will get the plan's life insurance coverage or your health fund, whichever is higher. The life insurance coverage will be given in full whether or not you have already received a lump sum benefit for a serious sickness or accident. Short payment terms. You won't have to worry about paying for a long time. You can pay for a health invest in as short as 3, 5, 7, or 10 years. Here's how Health Invest works. Imagine you're a 30-year-old male. By paying 55,000 pesos per year for 10 years, you will get 500,000 pesos critical illness coverage, waiver of premium if diagnosed with a serious health condition, 1 million pesos for accident and health coverage, 1 million pesos for life insurance coverage, and a health fund that can be worth 2.6 million pesos when you reach age 60, which you can use for your health maintenance cost or caregiving costs.
Buti na lang may Health Invest. I can now provide my clients with the right solution so they can be prepared.
Now we have peace of mind kasi may plano kami para hindi naman kami makabigat sa mga anak namin o sa mga kamag-anak namin.
With Health Invest, clients can now be secure na may pagkukunan sila in case they need it in the future.
Sa pagtanda ko, I'll make sure I'm financially prepared.
You can't stop growing old. You don't know when you'll get sick, but you can prepare for it. Be prepared for life's inevitable health-related setbacks, whether they happen now or in the future, with Health Invest, the plan that takes care of you in sickness and in health. Anong plano mo? Usap tayo.